Today I'm diving into the core beliefs of Islam, the 5 pillars. These are the foundation upon which a Muslim's faith and practices rest. First up is Shahada, the declaration of faith. This is a simple yet profound statement. There is no God but Allah and Muhammad is his messenger. It's the entryway into Islam, a powerful testament to monotheism. Next we have Salat, the 5 daily prayers. These prayers are performed at dawn, noon, mid-afternoon, sunset, and evening. They help keep a Muslim connected to Allah throughout the day, offering moments of reflection and peace. Then there's Zakat, or almsgiving. This isn't just charity, it's a mandatory act of giving a portion of one's wealth to those in need. It purifies one's income and fosters a sense of community and compassion. Fourth is Sawm, fasting during the holy month of Ramadan. Muslims abstain from food, drink, and other physical needs from dawn until sunset. It's a time for self-discipline, spiritual growth, and empathy for the less fortunate. Lastly, there's Hajj, the pilgrimage to Mecca. Every Muslim who is physically and financially able must perform Hajj at least once in their lifetime. It's a profound act of worship, embodying unity and the equality of all believers. So there you have it, the 5 pillars of Islam. Each one is a unique way of connecting with Allah and contributing positively to the world around us. Understanding these pillars is crucial for anyone looking to grasp the essence of Islam. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into the beautiful faith of Islam. Peace be upon you.